Nuclear power is the use of nuclear reactions on chemicals such as uranium to release nuclear energy to generate heat, which is then most frequently used by steam turbines to produce electricity in a nuclear power plant.
Talking about the pros about nuclear energy. First of all, they use fewer greenhouse emissions than fossil fuels, and is also also can be reliable because the one power plant can run around uninterrupted for a year, and is also proficient amount of fuel needed is less than other non-renewable energy sources.
Though uranium and fossil fuel are good ways of creating energy, it also comes with some cons. For example, the environmental impact. The uranium being burned causes a lot of pollution in the environment. Second, it's radioactive waste disposal. The products from nuclear energy are krypton and barium, which are very radioactive. Also, it costs a lot of money for these nuclear power plants. Lastly, uranium, which is one of the reactants, is finite, which means that there is not much in the world and it is expensive to mine, refine, and transport. A solution to the cons in nuclear energy is that we use molten salt reactant as well as uranium to produce the nuclear fuel. This way, most of the waste created in the process of making nuclear energy will be consumed in the future instead of only using a fraction and the rest going to waste. This is a transatomic process.